Hey everybody, Skinny Mitch here. I just wanted to share this little tidbit with you. When I got my air Venturi compressor, in the back of the manual, it had this little fill chart where it has a date, the fill time, and the fill pressure. So I decided to follow suit and make a spreadsheet with binder paper. So what I got is okay, this is my 90 cubic inch bottle. Air pressure was at 3,000. I filled it to 4,500. Here's the start time. Here's the end time. Start temp, end temp, and date. And I'm also using these for oil change. So one side of the page adds up to 3.1 hours of usage. That's a lot of riding for so little of hours. Anyway, like I said, I just wanted to share it. And also, it's good for keeping track of how your machine is working. You know, if something starts wearing out or breaking, you're going to notice it in these numbers. Maybe a little bit overboard, but I like to be confident and reassured that everything is working well. Hope you found this information useful. Thanks for watching.